This video will explore essential information about the foods and vitamins that can help alleviate these symptoms. You'll learn about specific nutrients that support nerve function and improve circulation and dietary changes that can make a real difference in your daily life. We'll also discuss practical solutions and lifestyle adjustments to enhance blood flow and reduce discomfort. Understanding the importance of circulation is vital, as it is crucial in delivering oxygen and nutrients to your muscles and tissues. Additionally, we'll touch on neuropathy awareness, helping you recognize when seeking medical advice is okay. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped with valuable knowledge and actionable tips to tackle leg numbness and cramps effectively. First on the list are foods rich in potassium, magnesium, and calcium, all crucial in supporting muscle function. Bananas are a fantastic source of potassium, while leafy greens like spinach and kale provide magnesium and calcium. Other great options include avocados, sweet potatoes, and nuts, which help keep your muscles functioning smoothly and reduce the likelihood of cramps. But it's about more than just the right foods. Hydration is equally important. Dehydration can lead to an imbalance of electrolytes, which can trigger muscle cramps. Ensure you drink water throughout the day, and consider incorporating electrolyte-rich beverages, especially if you're active and live in a hot climate. Aim to include these foods in your daily meals to combat leg numbness and cramps. Start your day with a smoothie packed with spinach and banana, snack on a handful of nuts, or enjoy a hearty salad topped with avocado. By making these simple dietary changes, you can significantly improve your muscle health and overall well-being. Remember, your diet is a powerful tool for preventing discomfort, so don't wait. Start preparing these foods immediately for relief. If this home test is positive, you have neuropathy. Neuropathy can manifest through various symptoms, including tingling, numbness, or a burning sensation in your legs and feet. If you've been experiencing these sensations, it's essential to take action. A simple home test can help you determine if you may have neuropathy. To conduct this test, find a quiet space to sit comfortably. First, check for any visible signs of nerve damage, such as changes in skin color or temperature in your feet. Next, gently use a cotton ball or a soft cloth to touch different areas of your feet and lower legs. Pay attention to any areas where you feel reduced sensation or discomfort. Another effective method is to perform the pinprick tests. Using a blunt, sharp object like a toothpick, lightly prick the skin on various parts of your feet. If you notice a significant difference in sensation between different areas, this could indicate neuropathy. If your home test yields positive results, it's crucial that a healthcare professional conduct a comprehensive evaluation.